Hello everyone, welcome back to our series of Mac tutorials for beginners. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the fastest ways to empty the trash on your MacBook. First, the quickest way is to look for the trash icon on the far right side of the dock. Simply right-click on it, then select Empty Trash. Next, click Empty Trash again to confirm, and your trash will be cleared. The second method, if you are in a Finder window, it doesn't matter which folder you are currently in, just press the keyboard shortcut Shift-Command-Delete. A confirmation window will pop up just like before, and you can click Empty Trash to clear it. If you don't like using shortcuts, you can go to the Finder menu, then select Empty Trash. You'll also see the shortcut listed right there, Shift-Command-Delete. You can also add the trash icon to the sidebar on the left for easier access. If you don't see this icon, go to Finder, select Settings. Then, in the Sidebar tab, check the box next to Trash. Now the shortcut to access the trash will appear in your sidebar. And the final way, when you are inside the trash folder itself, you can click the Empty button in the top right corner of the Finder window. Click on it, then click Empty Trash to confirm. Besides clicking the Empty button in the top right, while your Finder window is open to the trash, you can simply right-click anywhere in the Finder window. Then select Empty Trash, and you can clear it out that way too. And just like that, your trash is empty. So, I've introduced you to all the different ways to quickly empty the trash on your Mac to free up space. Don't forget to check out more Mac tutorials for beginners in the playlist I've linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.